everybody, it's Tiffany and I'm here with your pro tip. For years, we have been using magnets to hold our dies, right, in open pockets. Well, the new flip-flap pockets, game changer for die storage. So magnets are expensive, they're heavy, they're not great for the environment. They add thickness to your pockets, right? When you're using larger die sets, now, if you're using this stamp and die set that has lots of little dies, 100% use the magnets for sure, right? But when you've got larger die sets, there's no reason to add that extra weight, that extra expense, that extra thickness of a magnet, because now you have the flip-flap pocket. So those dies are not coming out of the pocket, right? I mean, the other thing about this, even if you had your dies on a magnet and you drop it, the magnet falls out of the pocket, the dies are probably going to fall off as well, right? So flip-flap pocket, game changer, especially for large die sets. Now, if you have a large die set that also has small dies with it, right, like this, just cut a strip or a piece of magnet to hold those small pieces and put it in the pocket. So I've got these really large tag dies. I've got some banners and pennants that are similar kind of die. 9x6 pocket, little strip of magnet to hold the tiny things, visible, accessible, and the flap keeps everything in place. So no longer do you need to add a magnet to every pocket with your dies, just for the small dies, if you're using the flip-flap pocket. So avoid the expense, the weight, the thickness. I mean, the weight alone, a magnet that fits this pocket weighs over 2 ounces. If you've got 20 of these in your Kirsten Zip and Go bag, that's over 2 pounds of weight just in magnets. That's not dies, that's not supplies, that's just magnets. So do your shoulder a favor, lighten up your magnets, use the flip-flap pockets when you've got big dies that don't need a magnet. You'll love how easy it is to see them, access them, and you will love not having all that extra weight and expense. All right, there's your pro tip for the day. Go magnetless when you can. Talk to you soon.